inspection stations that we have. We have here 3 inspection stations. So this gentleman will take one piece, will inspect it. He will do some dimensional checks depending on what product it is, if the tap hole is big enough, if it's not too small. With the toilets we also do a so-called vacuum test, which means if the product looks okay, we will also check for internal cracks. That means we will place it on a special table, close all the different holes, and then suck out the air with a very strong vacuum. And if this vacuum then holds for about 10 seconds, then we know there is no internal very small leaks. And then we can pack it directly. You will see now he's doing another check. And again we're using the barcode that's still inside the piece to read and document the result. That's a good piece. This is the vacuum test. And of course we have some losses. We have broken pieces. And that is around 5% of total production is broken. And it can be reused. We take it back, we mill it again, and we reuse it in our raw material. So he's rechecking the whole piece, having a look that he does not miss anything. Here we have the last part of the factory itself. You can see this is relatively rough. So what we do, we grind this down so that it is really 100% flat. And when you build it underneath a table, underneath a nice marble table for instance, you can go really up to the edge and you have a perfect piece.